Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create faceless videos with InVideo AI and produce engaging content without appearing on camera. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Start a new AI video project and choose the topic you want your faceless video to cover. Before creating the video, decide what type of content you want to make. You can create tutorials, educational videos, news-style content, list videos, product content, storytelling videos, or other formats. Next, write a detailed prompt for InVideo AI. Include your topic, target audience, tone, video style, important points, and the type of visuals you want to use. Since this is a faceless video, focus on visuals that can communicate the information without requiring an on-camera presenter. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. The AI can create the script, scenes, visuals, voiceover, subtitles, and other elements. When the video is generated, preview the entire project. Start by checking the script and make sure the information is clear, useful, and appropriate for your audience. Next, review the visuals in every scene. Make sure the images and video clips match what the narration is explaining. If a visual doesn't fit the topic, replace it with something more relevant. You can also use screenshots, screen recordings, graphics, or other supporting content when appropriate. Now check the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches the style of your video. Since there is no on-camera presenter, the voiceover plays an important role in keeping viewers engaged. Make sure the narration has a comfortable pace and clear pronunciation. Next, review the subtitles and on-screen text. Keep important information readable and make sure it doesn't cover key visuals. You can also add background music to create the right mood. Keep the volume low enough that the narration remains easy to hear. Pay attention to the pacing of the scenes. Change visuals regularly enough to keep the video interesting, but avoid unnecessary transitions or effects. Once your edits are complete, preview the entire